Okay, we just had a great suggestion from Kevin Gullick here about running the Open House app for KV Core on something other than, say, an iPad or an Android tablet. The issue here was the user looks like he's using a Kindle Fire. We don't have that option, and up till now, I wasn't aware of any way to run the Open House app on an actual PC. But the suggestion from Kevin was download BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator onto PC. So I went over to BlueStacks, it's bluestacks.com. And I clicked the little download link here, so I'm waiting for it to download. And then you have to allow the exe file to load up. It's a pretty big file. Oh wow, 511 MBs. I'll pause here while it does that. All right, it's still loading up here. Please pause your PC antivirus if it's interfering. Just something to note there. A lot of you guys might have antivirus installed, so just keep that in mind. Okay, then as soon as BlueStacks loads up, it took a few minutes, I click sign in to Google Play right here. Let's hope I remember my Google Play login. It may be the same as your Gmail account, or you might have to set it up the first time. So yeah, it is just signing in with your Google account. Okay, agree to terms of service here. A little bit slow, the whole setup process here, which takes a minute. Back up to Google Drive, I don't know. Okay, not sure why they need that. And then what I should be able to do, you see right here, you saw the Play Store. I was able to click that up at the top left, and it's going to load up the Play Store for me, and I assume this is where I'm going to be able to go ahead and look for the KV Core Open House app. So we'll do a search right here. It's Core Open House, like so. Okay, install. So basically what this is, this mimics you having an Android phone on your Windows machine. So if you have a laptop, most of us do, Windows machine, a lot of us do, so and you don't have a tablet, this is going to allow you to use the Open House app as people come into your open house, just as you would on a tablet. So this is a really good tip from the group here. Thank you for that. I'm forgetting your name. Really good tip. So open. We got the app open now. And now I can go ahead and log in. Let me do that. So I went ahead and popped the MLS in, confirm it found the property. Questions to display, right? Do I want to collect the phone number? Are you currently working with an agent? Where did you hear about the open house? I'm hitting the next button down below. You don't see this, but there's a green next button outside of the screen here. It's going to automatically put the image behind the sign up form. Cool. Listing price, square footage. Let's see. Puts that other info. I'm hitting next. We'll add them to the hashtag, whatever this was. Sailboat. We'll just do open house. Hashtag. Cool. Preview and launch. Enter a pin to launch. And now you have the Open House app displaying on your computer. Welcome, please sign in. And then, you could make this, I can maximize it. It's taking up my whole screen now. You're not seeing that, but, make it nice and pretty. You can have it sitting there on your laptop and ready to go and just have people sign right in like that. So awesome stuff. The BlueStacks emulator, you're just going to need to open that up. And then inside of that, you'll see the app for the open house, just like you were using your phone. Just think about this as using like an Android phone on top of your Windows machine. Hope this helps, guys. Thanks.